This diabetic-friendly high-fiber gluten-free flour is called a sorghum in English and the Indian name is jawar or jawar. As it is high in fiber, it is a perfect recipe for those looking to lose weight. It is called the new quinoa and you can make crispy dosa or crepe instantly with no baking soda or Eno. And there's no need to grind or ferment it. In US, most of the Indian stores sell this in the name of sorghum flour. For this recipe, take 1 cup of sorghum flour. To this add 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, some salt to taste and 1 or 2 chopped green chilies based on your spice level. Here I am adding a small onion that is finely chopped, some chopped coriander leaves and a small piece of grated carrot. First use a spoon to mix all the ingredients well. Then add 1 cup of water. Now take a whisk to mix it as it is easy to break the lumps. But you can also use a large spoon if you do not have a whisk. Then add 2 more cups of water. This batter needs to be runny and for 1 cup of jawar flour, I am using 3 cups of water and this will give you the right consistency. This is how watery the batter should be. Now take a pan and make sure it is really hot. Check by sprinkling some water on it. Then pour the batter starting from the edges of the pan. If you liked it so far, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. That would really help my channel grow. Also pour the batter to fill any large holes. Use a non-stick pan for making this dosa. Pour 1 teaspoon of oil around the dosa and cook until the edges rise. Now you will see the bottom of the dosa looks brown. So let's turn the dosa carefully and cook the other side. Our crispy and healthy dosa is ready. I've also included links to healthy no coconut chutney in the description box, so please make sure to check that too. Try this and let me know your comments. Thanks for watching.